In 1990, a woman named Susan Parker bought a Maytag dishwasher. She wrote us to say that 35 years later, that machine is still running. It has survived 3 decades of daily use, washed over 25,000 loads, and the only thing she ever replaced was a door gasket for $12. The machine had a stainless steel tub, a hard food disposer that ground up scraps automatically, and a mechanical timer that worked like clockwork. Now compare that to the experience of a modern homeowner. You walk into Home Depot and spend $800 on a Samsung Smart Dishwasher with Wi-Fi and a touchscreen. It looks beautiful, but statistically, that machine will be dead in 7 years. And when it dies, the repairman will tell you the phrase that defines the modern appliance economy: it's not worth fixing. How did we go from 30-year machines to disposable appliances? In this investigation, we're going to expose the engineering crimes hiding inside your dishwasher. We're going to look at the plastic tub disaster, the control board conspiracy, and the filter scam that has turned your dishwasher into e-waste. Secure links are in the description. Let's get going. Engineering crime number 1: the plastic tub disaster. For decades, dishwashers used stainless steel tubs. This was not a luxury feature, it was basic engineering. Stainless steel withstands 160-degree sanitization temperatures. It retains heat so dishes dry faster without wasting energy. It does not absorb odors or warp, and it lasts 15 to 20 years without complaint. But stainless steel is expensive. So in the early 2000s, manufacturers started building dishwashers with plastic tubs, telling consumers it was just as good. Less prone to rust, they said. Lighter weight, an improvement. Here's what they didn't tell you. Plastic tubs warp under repeated thermal cycling. Every heat up and cool down causes expansion and contraction. After a few thousand cycles, the door seal no longer sits flush. Leaks begin, the tub cracks, water damage follows. Plastic absorbs odors. That sour, musty smell from your dishwasher? That's years of food particles embedded into the material itself. You cannot scrub it out. It's in the plastic. Plastic cannot handle high temperatures. Budget dishwashers with plastic tubs max out at 140 degrees because the tub cannot handle the heat required for true sanitization. Your dishes are not as clean as you think. The numbers tell the story. Stainless steel tub dishwashers last 10 to 15 years. Plastic tub dishwashers last 7 to 10 years. That is a 30 to 40% reduction in lifespan just from changing the tub material. But manufacturers didn't lower the price to match the cheaper materials. They pocketed the savings and sold you a worse product for the same money. Engineering crime number 2: the control board conspiracy. Your grandmother's dishwasher had a mechanical timer. A simple motor rotating through electrical contacts. Click, click, click. Water on, heater on, drain on. If it broke, a tech could replace it in 20 minutes for $40. These timers lasted decades because there was nothing to fail except simple wear parts. Your modern dishwasher has a motherboard. Printed circuit boards with microprocessors, capacitors, and delicate solder connections. And where do manufacturers put this sensitive computer? Right next to the steam and moisture. They're putting electronics that hate water inside a machine whose entire purpose is to spray hot water everywhere. The control board sits behind the door panel, directly exposed to the humid environment inside the tub. Every cycle, steam and moisture attack those delicate electronics. Thermal cycling cracks solder joints. Capacitors dry out from the heat. Corrosion creeps across circuit traces. Suddenly, your dishwasher throws an error code and refuses to start. Replacing a control board costs $200 to $600, including labor. For a $600 dishwasher, that's nearly the cost of a new unit. The technician looks at you and says, "It's not worth fixing." This is not a defect. This is a design choice. They engineered these machines to fail. One repair tech told us, "Control boards should last 15 years. I'm seeing them fail in 3 to 5. Another said, "The board placement is insane. It's like putting your laptop in a sauna and expecting it to last a decade." Engineering crime number 3: the filter scam. Old dishwashers had a hard food disposer built in. This was essentially a garbage disposal inside your dishwasher. You loaded dishes with food scraps attached. The machine pulverized that food into tiny particles and flushed it down the drain. Maintenance-free. You never had to touch it. The machine took care of itself. Modern dishwashers have a filter, a mesh basket at the bottom of the tub that you have to clean by hand every week or two, digging out slimy, rotting food yourself. Why the change? Manufacturers said it was for quieter operation. The hard food disposer made noise. A filter is silent. But here's what they didn't tell you. If you forget to clean the filter, food clogs the drain pump. Particles recirculate onto your clean dishes. Odors embed into the plastic tub. Your dishwasher smells like a sewer. The pump overworks trying to push water through the clog. It burns out. Now you need a $400 repair. One technician told us, a blocked filter can kill a dishwasher. People don't clean them. The pump overworks. It burns out. They removed a maintenance-free component and replaced it with one requiring constant attention. They charged the same money and called it an upgrade. Blacklist number 2, Frigidaire. Starting at number 2 on our blacklist, Frigidaire. Frigidaire looks respectable on paper. Recognized name, available at every big box store. But when you dig into repair data and customer complaints, a pattern emerges. The number one problem is customer service, or rather, the lack of it. Warranty claims denied for mysterious reasons, parts perpetually backordered, technicians who cannot get manufacturer support. Control board and touchpad failures appear constantly in repair forums. One tech said, "The touchpad is the most common failure I see on Frigidaire. It's always the touchpad." Not catastrophically bad, but a pattern of premature failures and poor support that adds up to a brand you cannot trust with your money. Blacklist number 1, Samsung. At number 1, the worst offender, Samsung. Samsung dominates the television market. They make excellent phones, but their appliance division has become synonymous with failure and frustration. 5 out of 15 repair professionals said avoid Samsung entirely. None had anything positive to say. Yale Appliance refuses to sell or service Samsung dishwashers. They will not carry the brand. Parts availability is a nightmare. Samsung discontinues parts for models only a few years old. Customers report control boards no longer manufactured, leaving $1,000 appliances unfixable. Warranty service is worse. Samsung requires approved technicians who are backed up for weeks. When they arrive, claims get denied for arbitrary reasons. One consumer advocate documented a dishwasher that failed 5 repair attempts before Samsung still refused a refund. The class action lawsuits tell the story. Samsung has been sued over black stainless steel finishes that peel within 3 years, over washing machines that explode, over refrigerator ice makers that fail constantly. Their appliance division treats customers as disposable as their products. When repair technicians refuse to work on a brand, you know you have a problem. What to buy instead? Number 3, Whirlpool KitchenAid Maytag. The first one on our recommended list, the Whirlpool family. 3 out of 15 professionals recommend Whirlpool as most reliable. Yale data shows service rates consistently below 4.4%. KitchenAid runs 6.2 to 8.2%. The real advantage is serviceability. Whirlpool has made dishwashers for decades. Parts are widely available even for older models. Third-party shops stock them. YouTube has repair tutorials. The machines are designed to be fixed, not thrown away. Maytag's dual power filtration combines a filter with a 4-blade stainless steel chopper. Quiet operation with maintenance-free convenience. One of the few modern designs that improves on old technology instead of degrading it. Not exciting, no Wi-Fi or touchscreens, but a track record of reliability and repairable machines. What to buy instead? Number 2, Bosch. 11 out of 15 professionals named Bosch as most reliable. Yale's 2024 data shows 5.9% service rate. Their Thermador line comes in at 7.7 to 8.1%. German engineering is not just marketing. Every Bosch unit passes 485 quality checks before shipping. Precision wash sensors adjust water and cycle time based on actual soil levels. The machines optimize themselves. Stainless steel tubs are standard on most models. The condensation drying system uses the steel tub itself rather than a wasteful heating element. Hot water evaporates off dishes, condenses on cold walls, drains away. Dishes dry without exposed heating elements cooking your plastics. Technicians praise Bosch for parts availability. Even discontinued models often have parts because Bosch maintains supply chains for older products. When your Bosch breaks, you can actually fix it. What to buy instead? Number 1, LG. And now, the best value in dishwashers, LG. Yale Appliances data shows LG with a 4% service rate. That is one of the lowest in the industry. And unlike the luxury brands, LG delivers this reliability at a price normal people can afford. Here is what makes LG different. The inverter direct drive motor has fewer moving parts than traditional motors. Fewer parts means fewer failure points. LG is so confident in this motor they back it with a 10-year warranty. Find another brand offering that. The Quad Wash Pro system uses 4 spray arms instead of the standard 2. They rotate back and forth while spinning, hitting dishes from multiple angles. High-pressure jets break down stubborn food residue. The result is genuinely clean dishes without pre-rinsing. True steam technology penetrates baked-on food and eliminates water spots. The dynamic heat-dry system circulates hot air for thorough drying without melting your plastics. LG dishwashers are certified by the National Sanitization Foundation, reaching rinse temperatures above 150 degrees. At 42 decibels, the Quad Wash Pro models are whisper quiet. You can run them while watching TV in the next room. The stainless steel tub resists odors and handles high-temperature sanitation cycles. The third rack adds flexibility for utensils and odd-shaped items. Smart Diagnosis lets you troubleshoot problems through your phone before calling a technician. LG also includes built-in auto leak detection that monitors water supply, drainage, and potential leaks. If something goes wrong, it notifies you through the ThinQ app before water damage destroys your kitchen floor. LG proves you don't have to spend mealy money to get a reliable dishwasher. This is the sweet spot: excellent engineering quality at a price that makes sense. When repair technicians praise a brand and the service rate data backs it up, you know you're making a smart purchase. The bottom line here is that you should calculate total cost of ownership. A $600 dishwasher lasting 5 years costs $120 per year. A $1,200 Bosch lasting 20 years costs $60 per year. The expensive option is often cheaper when you do the math. The industry spent 30 years degrading products while maintaining prices. They replaced stainless steel with plastic, mechanical timers with cheap circuit boards, hard food disposers with filters you clean yourself. And they call this progress. Your grandmother's Maytag lasted 35 years because it was built to be repaired. Your Samsung lasts 5 years because it was built to be replaced. Stop buying their junk. Secure links are in the description. Have a good one.